self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel, evacuate immediately.
Welcome back, you guys, with another video. We're doing the Blizzard Buffalo. That was really well executed, because it usually takes me like 1, 2 or 3 times just to get to that ledge, and I'll try to show you guys like from where exactly do you have to jump. If you see, right here is where you would expect to jump, because it's the end of this fucking post thing. We actually have a lot more fucking room, you see? We actually have all this room for you to jump, which was really bad explanation, but you guys get the point. And then now we have to go back to get the energy capsule, or the sub-tank, energy sub-tank. Wow, I forgot to jump. Sorry. Okay, for the Blizzard Buffalo, you can actually just have him stand on this corner, and all you do is jump the minute he looks back. He won't move from there, and it'll be a flawless fight. In that case, I didn't jump the minute he turned around, which is why he attacked me. But it doesn't have to be a precise jump, it's just he has to look back and not see you standing on the floor. So that's Blizzard Buffalo.